everyone, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie
And we are
Talbot.
Book
Collective.
Hey,
Hey, we are just collecting voices around the world.
We are, and we're also enjoying some wonderful and lovely
Well, it's mostly gone.
chicken salad that Katie made.
Uh-huh.
A gherkin. I love a gherkin.
Is that what those are?
Yeah. You just choked on your gherkin. Not the first time she's done that. Hey, this is a gherkin.
Whoa.
It's a little like
I don't choke on little things.
sweet and dill pickle. I love gherkins.
They're so
We
good.
have some blueberries. We have some fresh cheese and breads. It's a lovely.
This cheese is actually from New Zealand.
It's a lovely little thing that we have going here.
It's mostly
As
gone.
is this video. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's going to be great. Hey, before we get
What
into
else is
this,
great?
hit those subscribe buttons to this channel. Share it with your friends. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram. And TikTok.
Guys, we're so hilarious on Instagram.
Are we?
1000%.
Really?
We're very collected on the Vocal Lab Collective. But
Our personals
our
are.
personals are hilarious.
Yours are. Mine are kind of like, I'm around
I'm
the world.
in Malibu. Look at this. I'm in a Malibu mansion having wine with multi-billionaires.
I mean, that's
look at my
that's
life.
my life.
And I'm like, hey, look at my chaotic kids.
That's it. You should follow just so you know. I did have someone text me the other day, a recent trip to California. I don't even know them that well, but they're like, you're always flexing, dude. I'm like, I'm not flexing. I'm just doing my life. Hey, man, I don't
You
got
are
anything
doing
to
life,
flex.
but you know what? You're doing what you love to do,
Yeah, totally.
and that is flexing.
Totally.
In its own.
Exactly. It's good to flex. Be okay to flex. Do it. Cheers to that. Hey, who
Cheers
are we
to
doing
that.
today?
Oh my gosh, Gigi, and we're doing an OG song.
Oh, yeah.
That I love. This song came out when I was still living in LA, and my roommate actually
Really,
sang
it did?
Yeah, my roommate actually sang this at our church a lot, so I would help her practice. And this is one of the most beautiful songs, beautiful worship songs, I think, in modern day.
Yeah, so we're going to do Oceans by Gigi De Lana. Fantastic song. It's really great.
Yeah.
Let's see what she does with this one, shall we?
Let's go.
Here we are.
Let's go. I love this song.
Okay.
Oh,
You
man.
have cheese in your hair.
Do I really?
Yeah, man. You have like a piece of cheese in your hair.
Stop.
It's smushy. It's smushy cheese in your hair.
Oh my gosh, I can't.
Gross.
Make it your own, girl. I love that tone. Such a great tone.
Your grace abounds in deepest waters. Your sovereign hand will be my guide. Where faith may fail and fear surrounds me, you never fail.
She really looks like she's singing even.
I know.
Spirit, lead me where my trust is without borders. Let me walk upon
This song has one of the best builds, I think, in modern
Yeah,
Christian
no,
contemporary
yeah,
music.
for sure.
the take me deeper than my feet could ever wander. And my faith will be made stronger in the presence of my Savior. Spirit, lead me where my trust is without borders.
Let me walk upon the water.
Wherever you would call me, take me deeper than my feet could ever wander. And my faith will be made stronger in the presence of my Savior.
Yeah. The dynamic build of
I mean, I'm
band and singer
yes, that,
is
and I'm just watching how she's moving her jaw, like everything that's going into this. I can't wait to hear how she expands that.
yeah. It's also a good demonstration that dynamic is not louder. Maybe
1000%.
slightly, right?
Slight, yeah.
But she's not yelling here.
There it is.
Yeah, that's right. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Amazing. Controlled.
And I will call upon your name and keep my eyes above the waves. My soul will rest in your embrace. For I am yours, and you are mine.
It's a nice little riff.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah, really, really.
So there's a lot to
great.
that,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
We've seen other videos of hers where she's taken us to her beginning, you know? And then hearing her sing this song, that for one thing is one of the hardest songs in contemporary Christian music because of the climb that it is
And stamina.
and stamina.
That's
it's
a long song
Yeah.
with a lot of like build to it,
Builds
right?
a lot of emotion. There's just a lot that
Yeah.
goes into this song.
Yeah, it's true.
So what a gift she has. And then for me, I was taken a little bit to, I don't know if you guys have seen The Chosen. It's so good. It's a series on Angel TV. But it's where Jesus is calling Mary Magdalene, but from her life of kind of sin, in a sense, and he calls out her name that she doesn't go by anymore. He says, Mary. And she stops, and he says, you are mine. And it's one of the most powerful moments in modern TV that I've seen, and hearing how she portrays and sings this song with the emotion of it, because a good singer and a good artist no matter what song they are singing, will convict the heck out of you. Whether it's their song or whether
Yes,
it's a
someone
cover
else's song.
whatever it may be.
That is 100% true.
Yeah, and so for me, she really brought me back into just this, for I am yours and you are mine. What does it look like for what this song is talking about, of Christ saying that you are mine? And just the conviction and the beauty and the glory that comes into that. She really brought that out in this.
Yeah, she really did.
She's a little bit of a Haley from
Yeah, she
Paramore
has some
tone
Haley
too.
Paramore tone.
Yeah.
Absolutely. You know, she made the song hers, hands down. Again, her stamina, her tone, the beauty, the
So good.
conviction, all of that behind it was really, really spot on. And I think, again, it's a great reminder that as a singer, we are always at service of the song.
Yes. Yeah.
We are always at service of the song. And so if you're trying to show off your voice or trying to be a showboat or just impress the audience, you're starting at a place of being off base. And more times than not, that's going to come across to the audience.
Yeah.
Because
oh my
they
gosh, I used to do that all the time.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, you did. No, I don't.
did.
I'm just kidding.
I'm
No, it's true. I
showing.
mean, we all did it at times.
Yeah.
It's just that's part of the vocal and musical journey
Totally.
of finding your own confidence, your own self, and your own voice. But it again is a reminder to serve the song, not show off. And when you do that, magic happens.
Totally,
right?
1,000%.
That's what I took away from this. Other than the cheese in your hair. This was really an
Well,
amazing
I
video.
mean, I have
You
kids,
still
so
got
I have
more
to leave.
cheese.
I have to
There's
eat at some
more-
point.
Yeah, I'm
Is
not
there
gonna
still?
get it. It's like soft cheese. It's right there.
In your finger?
No, it's right there. It's on your finger right now.
Oh my gosh.
It's soft.
How did I get cheese in my
it's
hair?
soft cheese in your hair. I don't even know what to say about that.
Oh my gosh, y'all.
Katie, look. Zoom in, Carlos. Show the cheese in her hair. She's getting it out. Oh well. Don't know. Put it on. Put it on this bread and eat it. I dare you. Put it on the bread and eat it.
No, I just had proteins in
With
my hair.
with a pickled
There you go.
with a pickled blueberry.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, we got to get out of here. This is ridiculous.
go.
But hey, wherever you are, be encouraged, be blessed.
It's nothing.
Know that you are beautiful, that you are
You're beautiful.
yeah, that you are chosen, and that you have a destiny, and we hope you fulfill that. So,
Yes.
hey, until next time, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Salvin.
and we are Vocal
Vocal Lab
Lab Collective. Katie, get the cheese.